Welcome to Hotel Blue Horizon.
Thank you. We are very happy to be here.
Yes, this place looks amazing.
Here are your room keys. Thank you so much. Are we staying here, Mom? Yes, Sophie. This is our hotel.
I like this hotel.
Me too. It feels calm and nice.
I want to see the room now. We are going there. Our room is near the window.
That is good. We will get fresh light.
I hope we can see trees or the ocean.
This room is beautiful. Yes, we made a good choice.
Look outside!
It is so pretty. Let's put our bags down. Yes, we can rest for a moment.
I am a little tired.
Me too.
I see trees and blue sky. It feels warm here.
This weather is nice.
Let's go downstairs.
Yes, I want to look around.
Maybe we can eat.
This place looks nice.
Let's order something simple.
Can I have pasta? D, I want rice. The food smells good.
Let's eat slowly.
I am very hungry.
Me too.
Look, a swimming pool. Can we swim?
Not now. Maybe tomorrow.
The sunset is beautiful.
Yes, it feels peaceful.
I like this place.
Me too.
Let's take a short walk.
Good idea. I see flowers. Sophie,
They smell nice. I learned many things,
today was a long day.
but a good day. I feel happy. Time to get ready for bed. Okay, Mom. I am sleepy. Today was fun. Yes, I like the pool.
Tomorrow will be fun too.
Everyone in bed now.
Good night. Good night. They are very tired.
Yes, they did great today.
I am happy we came here. Me too. Family time is important.
Today was the first day of our family adventure. Tomorrow, a new day begins.
A new morning begins.
Good morning, everyone. Wake up, kids.
Is it morning already?
I want 5 more minutes.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
I slept well.
Me too. Today feels exciting.
What are we doing today?
We will explore. Breakfast time.
Let's eat well.
I want fruit. This food is fresh.
Yes.
Very good. I like it. Are we ready?
Yes. Let's go.
I am excited. Me too.
It is warm outside.
I like the sun.
Remember to stay together.
This place feels alive.
Yes, full of nature. I hear birds.
Day 2 begins with hope and joy. A new adventure is waiting.
This market looks busy. Yes,
Many people. I want to look around.
so many colors. Stay close.
Do not run.
I will stay here.
I am holding your hand. Fresh fruit.
They look good. Can I taste one?
Just a small piece.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
The fruit. The fruit is sweet. Look at this doll. That car is cool.
One look only.
Choose carefully. I choose the car. I choose the doll. Good choices.
Let's rest here.
My feet are tired. I like this place. Me too.
This tea is warm.
Very relaxing.
I feel calm. We saw many things.
It was a good day.
I had fun.
Best day ever.
The day ends with smiles. The family feels close and happy.